One student, today I will teach you class 6 lesson 8 geography physical feature of India भारत की भौतिक विशेषताएं। इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ फिजिकल डाइवर्सिटी। इंडिया की भौतिक विशेषताओं में काफ़ी विभिन्नताएं। सो इट मैन लैंड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 मेन रीजन। इसके 6 रीजन्स हैं। द नॉर्थर्न माउंटेन, द नॉर्थर्न प्लेन्स, द ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट, द पेनिसुलर प्लेटू और द कोस्टल प्लेन्स, द आइलैंड ग्रुप। द नॉर्थर्न माउंटेन यानी कि उत्तरी मैदान। द होल नॉर्थर्न बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया इज guarded by several mountain range which run in the shape of an arc. The Karakoram and the Himalaya mountain range are located along the northern front of the India. These are the highest and young fold mountain range में आता है. Towards the south of the Karakoram range are the Ladakh and the Jaskar range. The Indus River in the Kashmir region follow between these range. These are three parallel range in the Himalaya mountain में, the Himadri, the Himachal और the Siblix. The Himadri is the highest mountain range in the world. So it is also called the Greater Himalaya कहलाता है. जो हिमालय है वो भारत का सबसे ऊंचा पठार है, मैदान है. The highest peak of the world, Mt Everest 8,848 is situated in this range. It lies in Nepal. The second highest peak of the world, MTK2 of mountain Godwin Austen, is located in the Indian Himalaya range. The Himachal lies toward the south of the Himadri and larger in height, so it is called the larger Himalaya. Many famous hill stations like Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu, Manali, Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling are situated in these mountain range में इतने सारे आते हैं. The Siblix में are the southernmost range in Himalaya, so these range are also called outer Himalaya. They form a series of low mountain and hills. पूर्वांचल रेंज में आता है. पूर्वांचल includes the Patkai, Bum and Naga hills in the north, followed by Garo, Kasi and Gentia in the middle, the Mizo and Lusai in the south. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalaya. They are formed by the rivers and Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These plains are very fertile because they are made of fine silt brought by the rivers. This fertile silt is called alluvium कहलाता है. The northern plains are broadly divided into two parts में इसको डिवाइड किया गया. The Ganga basin cover the largest part of the northern plains is covered of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Rajasthan and West Bengal. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya mountain or enters the plain at Haridwar. The tributaries of the Ganga such as the Yamuna, the Gomti, the Gandak, the Kosi and the Gangra deposit fertile soil in these plain. इनमें उपजाऊ जमीन पाई जाती हैं. The Brahmaputra valley lies in eastern lies in the Brahmaputra of originate from Tibet, where it is known as Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh from Assam and enters in Bangladesh, where it is called Jamuna. The Great Indian Desert, भारत के रेगिस्तान देखिए. The Great Indian Desert covered the western part of Rajasthan. The Great Indian Desert is also called the Dhar Desert. The region is very dry and mostly sandy है. बहुत सूखा है और मोस्टली सैंडी, इसमें बहुत अधिक मात्रा में सैंड पाई जाती है. सो इट नॉट अ फर्टाइल प्लेन, यह फर्टाइल मैदान नहीं है. The peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau is located toward the south of the North Plain. It is triangular the shape and formed by hard igneous and metamorphic rocks, and plateau is surrounded by hill range of all the three sides. The west of the plateau is bordered by the Western Ghat and on the eastern side by the Eastern Ghat. For the arrivals, the Vidyans, the Satpura and the Rajmahal hills are situated in the north. The river Narmada divides the plateau into two parts, the Malwa Plateau or the Deccan Plateau. The Malwa Plateau lies to the northwest and the Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Vindh and the Satpura range. The Deccan Plateau extends from the Vindhyas in the north of south tip of the peninsula. It is bounded by the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. Both these hills range meet at the Nilgiri Hills. A number of rivers flow through the Deccan Plateau. The river Narmada and Tapi are the only two main river systems from westward falling into the Arabian Sea. The Eastern Ghats are broken into small hill range by rivers such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri. Most rivers of peninsular India flow into the Bay of Bengal. The coastal plain to the west of the Western Ghat and the east of Eastern Ghat lie in the coastal plain. The western coastal plain are narrow, whereas the eastern coastal plain are broader. The western and the eastern coastal plain meet in Cape Comorin, the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. The northern part of western coastal plain is called the Konkan coast and the southern part is called the Malabar coast. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the northern Sarkars and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. The Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri rivers have formed fertile delta along the eastern coastal plain. The island groups, there are two groups of islands in India, Lakshadweep Island and the Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of small coral islands. Most of them are uninhabited. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. It is a union territory. The island have high court at Kochi. Other main towns are Agatti, Minicoy, Amini, Androt, Kandamant and Kilton. Economy क्या industry include fishing and boat building, agriculture product and mainly coconut, copra and banana. Andaman and Nicobar Lakshadweep cover in the area of 8,249 square kilometer and have Port Blair as their capital. Air literacy is a high as 81%. The island have their high court at Kolkata, Beta Circuit bench at Port Blair. The main town include Syamnagar, Navagram, Uttar Pradesh, Bandur and Checkpoint. Agriculture crops include rice, coconut and acacia nut. Other crops are sugarcane, pulse, fruit and vegetables. Industries में क्या include fishery, tourism and ship repair. Transport है आपका. The island are well connected to Kolkata, Chennai by air and by sea. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park situated in these आइसलैंड।